Welcome back to your English class. This is Mahesh sir. Today in this class we are going to learn another interesting topic which is related to grammar. As you can see on the board, English grammar, it is an adjective. I think you must have learned in the last class, in third class, describing words. Describing words, it means those words tells us extra and more about the noun and pronoun are called describing words. Just like that way, adjectives also same. An adjective tells some more qualities of the noun and pronoun. Adjective means what? Adjective means जैसे हिंदी में हम अगर बोले विशेषण. Adjective, an adjective tells us extra qualities of noun or pronoun. If I write one sentence on the board, I am honest. I am honest. मैं हूँ, but कैसा? But how? Honest. Okay? Honest यानी ईमानदार. Yes. Honest means ईमानदार. So इसमें जो है ये I, ये मेरे बारे में बताता है. ठीक? मुझे इंडिकेट करता है, मुझे शो करता है मैं कैसा हूँ. How I am honest. This word shows the extra quality of myself. मेरे बारे में of myself. So that this word is called an adjective. Is it clear? Now let's take another sentence. Sachin is a good player.
Sir, side please.
अभी कुछ नहीं लिखना है. Nobody will write in their copies. Just look at the board, listen carefully, understand the actual meaning, understand all the examples. Okay? When I will tell you, yes. Sachin is a good player. Now, just look at this sentence. Sachin. This is the noun. Noun means noun. This is the noun. Is a player. वो खिलाड़ी है. But कैसा? अच्छा. So this word gives us extra information, extra quality about Sachin. So, good is an adjective in this sentence. It is a tall tree. It is a tall tree. It is a pronoun.
Tall.
Tree. Okay, noun, common noun. And in this sentence, this word पेड़ है, वो पेड़ है, but कैसा? How? Tall. So this word is an adjective in this sentence. So what is the correct definition of an adjective? An adjective tells us more about or extra qualities of noun and pronoun in the sentence. Is it clear? Just show me thumbs up. Yes. An adjective tells us extra quality and more about the noun and pronoun. It is called an adjective. Okay? So, here I am going to write the definition. You will also write in your copy. Now, start writing.
Sir, grammar class.
Adjective. अभी आप कॉपी में लिखना स्टार्ट कीजिए. An adjective tells us some quality noun or pronoun? In third class, I think you might have seen, you might have learned noun or pronoun. Okay? Noun means noun, pronoun means which word is used instead of noun, it is called pronoun. So in this class, we are going to learn adjective. So this is the definition. Write it in your copy neatly with good handwriting. Okay, Iksha? Show me thumbs up. Very good. An adjective tells us some quality of a noun or pronoun. Hurry up. Don't waste your
Done, sir.
time. Don't say done. Don't disturb the class. Rohit say mute your mic.
No done, sir.
Some examples we are going to write here. Example number one. I am not greedy. I am not greedy. मैं नहीं हूँ. But कैसा? Greedy. So greedy is an adjective in this sentence. She wants some cold water. She wants some cold water. She wants, उसे चाहिए. उसे चाहिए, but क्या? पानी. But कैसा? Cold. So cold is an adjective in this sentence. Cold is an adjective in this sentence. Just underline that word. Third sentence. He is a good player. He is a good player. वो खिलाड़ी है. But कैसा? But how? And the answer is good. So good is an adjective in this sentence. Drishti, is it clear? Yes, very good. Now let's take fourth sentence. As you can see on the board, Atul is honest boy. Okay, let's change the sentence. Atul is not honest. Now, Atul is not. Atul नहीं है. But how? कैसा? Honest. So honest is an adjective in this sentence. Atul is not honest. अतुल के बारे में एक्स्ट्रा इंफॉर्मेशन क्या दी जा रही है? अतुल इज नॉट ऑनेस्ट. अतुल ऑनेस्ट नहीं है. So honest is an adjective. So an adjective tells us some qualities of noun or pronoun.
Done, sir.
Yes, let's take fifth sentence.
Done, sir.
Let's take fifth sentence, Rishit Sinha. I am small. I am small. I am small. मैं हूँ. But कैसा? But how?
Small.
Small. So small is an adjective in this sentence.
Evaporation. Because you reversible
Sandeep Kumar, mute your mic. Yes.
I have done, sir. Done, sir. Done, sir. We have done, sir.
He is very tall. He is very tall. So tall is an adjective. Tall is an adjective.
Done, sir. Done, sir.
Very good, very good. Let's wait for others.
Done, sir.
Wait for others.
Sir. Done, sir. Done, sir. Done, sir. Done, sir.
Okay. Some sentences we are going to discuss here. Some more sentences. Page 7. He is fine. He is fine. He is fine. Go ahead. But how? Fine. अच्छा. A sweet mango. A sweet mango. Mango. कैसा है? A sweet. In sweet is an adjective.
यार हमारा नेटवर्क चालू नहीं था, हमने चालू करा। क्लास है, पेज नंबर बताओ।
Who is there? Aryan? What are you asking?
Done, sir. I have done, sir. I have done, sir. Sir, side please.
Yes.
सर पेज नंबर कौन सा है? सर
पेज नंबर नहीं है, ये ग्रामर टॉपिक है.
सर आई एम हंग्री.
Yes, very good. I am
सर
hungry.
आई एम हंग्री. बोलता है सुनते. अरे भाई बोल.
I am hungry. मैं हूँ. लेकिन कैसा हूँ? भूखा.
सर आई एम हैंडसम.
She is brave. She is brave. She is a brave girl. Okay? So she is a girl. वो लड़की है, but कैसी? Brave. True. साहसी. Only 10 sentences we have discussed here.
Done, sir.
Yes, very good. Don't say done. Just show me thumbs up. Let me know how many students have done. Just show me thumbs up. Very good. Very good. Very good, Vinny.
Done, sir. Done, sir.
Yes, wait for others. I'm giving you 1
Done,
minute
sir.
for this.
Done, sir.
मैं 1 मिनट दे रहा हूँ आप सभी को.
Done, sir. No, done, sir. Done, sir. Done, sir. Done, sir. Done, sir.
Yes.
I am done, sir. Done, sir. का पेज नंबर क्या है?
Now here, students, do you know the opposite words? The pairs of opposite words are also adjectives. जो opposite words के pairs होते हैं, वो भी क्या होते हैं? Adjectives ही होते हैं. क्या होते हैं? Adjectives. Now let us discuss some adjectives and their opposites. Okay? After this we will discuss another important topic which is related to this same. Okay? Opposites. First, fat. Write fastly. Write fastly with me. Fat, fat, thin, fat, thin. Neti, what are you doing? Have you done? Just show me thumbs up. Very good. Fat, thin, far, near. Old, new, big, we all know, small, big, small, tall, tall, dry, rich, sad, happy. Low, high, fast,
Down.
slow,
Sir, please.
yes,
Up, down.
slow, rich, poor, old,
Up and down.
far. These are all the pairs of opposite words, and these are also adjectives. Okay? Dark, light,
Sir, open, close.
hard, soft.
Good morning, sir.
Open, close.
Who is saying good morning? Who joined the class late?
Sir, greedy or honest? Sir, greedy or honest?
Hard, soft, kind,
सर मैं रुक्मणी बोल रही हूँ.
cruel,
गुड मॉर्निंग.
long, short. Good, bad. Write fastly.
सर
Some pairs I will write here. Okay. Just sit down. Easy, difficult. Deep, shallow, clean, dirty, clean, dirty, early, late.
दो बार लिखना है.
No, write only one time, Nipeksha. Early, late, large, small, blunt, sharp, empty,
सर फ्रेंड एनिमी.
full,
सर फ्रेंड एनिमी.
young, old. And the last word is foolish, wise. So write fastly all the pairs of opposites. As you can see on the board,
क्या लिखा है?
where
काइंड का अपोजिट.
cruel, C-R-U-E-L, cruel, cruel यानी दुष्ट. So let's revise it once. Fat, thin, far, near, old, new, big, small, tall, short, wide, big, sad, happy, low, high, rich, poor, cold, hot, dark, light, hard, soft, kind, cruel, firm, sure, good, bad, easy, difficult, deep, shallow, clean, dirty, early, late, large, small, blunt, sharp. पेंसिल शार्प करते ना हम खत्म होने के बाद. Yes, blunt, blunt, sharp, empty, full, old, foolish, wise.
सर साइड का नहीं दिख रहा.
Write fastly. Today I am so happy that 52 students are attending this class. I am so happy for you.
सर
Write fastly.
डन सर. ओके सर.
Wait for others.
डन सर.
वेट करेंगे.
डन सर. Sir, not complete. जो फर्स्ट वाली लाइन है ना इजी डिफिकल्ट वाली वो मत
भूमिका आपने मोबाइल जो है, let me explain student. Bhumika, you have kept your mobile phone just vertical. Keep it in horizontal position. Rotate the screen. आपके मोबाइल की स्क्रीन रोटेट ऑप्शन जो है वो ऑफ कर दो. मोबाइल स्क्रीन रोटेट वाला ऑप्शन क्लिक करो जो आपके मोबाइल में होगा.
हमारा ऑप्शन नहीं था.
I think now your elder sister is there. Please take it out this problem so that you can see whole board. आपके मोबाइल में रोटेट स्क्रीन वाला ऑप्शन होगा वो ऑफ कर दीजिए और मोबाइल जो है वो हॉरिजॉन्टल रखिए जो बाकी बच्चों ने रखा है, so that you can see whole board.
सर पी वाला कोई निशान नहीं है सर. हमारा ऑप्शन नहीं है.
भूमिका से भूमिका से just check it here from the above. ऊपर से ऐसे नीचे करो आप स्क्रीन. यहाँ पे आपको क्या दिखाई देगा? रोटेट स्क्रीन वाला ऑप्शन दिखाई देगा. ये वाला ऑफ करो. ठीक है, ये ऑफ करने के बाद मोबाइल ऐसे रखो, स्क्रीन पूरी दिखाई देगी आपको.
सर हमारा ऑप्शन है.
यस, वेरी गुड. बस भूमिका के लिए बता रहा हूं मैं. यस भूमिका, वेरी गुड. हर रोज और हर सब्जेक्ट की क्लास अटेंड करनी है. ओके, shall we revise it once? So look at the board.
Done sir.
Difficult. These are the pairs of opposite words and these are also an adjective which is used in sentences. Okay, wherever needed. Easy, difficult, deep, shallow, clean, dirty, early, late, large, small, blunt, sharp, empty, full, young, old, foolish, wise, fat, thin, far, near, old, new, big, small, tall, short, dry, weak, sad, happy. You can write here unhappy also. Happy, unhappy. Low, high, fast, slow, rich, poor, cold, hot, dark, light, hard, soft, kind, cruel, long, short, good, bad. Okay, students? So other pairs of opposites you can add in this list. आप अगर और भी कुछ opposite words लिखना चाहते हो, so you can add in this list. Okay? I hope you all have understood this. So let us revise again. What is the meaning of an adjective? An adjective is a word which tells us extra and some more qualities of noun and pronoun. We discussed some sentences. We discussed here. We have written few pairs of opposites, which is an adjective. जो कि adjectives भी होते हैं. जैसे easy है. It is easy question. It is very easy question. It is very easy question. It is so difficult to solve. Okay. So these both words are used in a sentence as an adjective. Next, shallow. The river is so deep. रिवर बहुत ही गहरी है, नदी बहुत गहरी है. The river is so deep. The pond is shallow. Clean. Her dress is very clean. And the room is very dirty. You can write sentences with the help of all these words. You can write sentences with the help of all these words. Okay? Let's say another one. Early. I get up early in the morning. मैं उठता हूँ. But कब उठता हूँ? Early. जल्दी उठता हूँ. Late. I'm late. I'm late. I'm late. मैं late हूँ. Okay? Large. Small. Blunt. Sharp. The pencil is blunt. Pencil is blunt. Pencil है but कैसी? Blunt है. Sharp. The pencil is sharp. I am so sharp. मैं भी sharp हूँ. दिमाग से.
Sir, I am done.
Yes, very good. So like this way, students, you can add more pairs of opposites in this list. You can write sentences with the help of all these words as I discussed here. Okay, जैसे कि मैंने आपको यहाँ पे बताया. हीरेन, क्लास कैसे अटेंड कर रहे हो हीरेन? Sit properly. Keep your mobile phone at a side and sit comfortably in front of camera. Have you written all these words in your copy? Hiren?
Yes, sir.
I am asking to Hiren only. Hiren, can you hear me?
Yes.
Hiren, Hiren, show me your notebook. Vinny, show me your notebook. Vinny, let me check who are doing all the work sincerely. Yes, very good. Suchitra, show me your notebook. Very good, Vinny. Very good, Diksha. All the students, I request you, all the students, just show me your notebooks. Let me check who are doing or not.
Done, sir.
Very good, Anas, Sonakshi, Krishna, Krishang, Ritik, Drishti, Riddhima, Sandeep. Very good, very good. So today, as I told you, I am so happy today because there are 52 students who are attending this class. I am really glad. So by my side, clap for yours, clap for all. So thank you one and all for paying attention in the class.
Bye, sir. Thank you for teaching us. Bye, sir.